Today, we're diving into the Canon EOS 7D Mark II digital SLR camera body Wi-Fi adapter kit, a renewed gem that promises to be a game-changer for photography enthusiasts. Boasting a 20.2 MP CMOS sensor and an ISO range of 100 to 16,000, this DSLR opens up a world of creative possibilities in various lighting conditions. One standout feature is the high-speed continuous shooting capability, reaching up to an impressive 10.0 frames per second. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or the subtle details of a scene, this camera ensures you never miss a moment. The 65-point all-cross Type AF system adds precision to your focus, making every shot count. But it's not just about stills. The Canon EOS 7D Mark II shines in the realm of video with stunning full HD capabilities. The custom movie servo AF, with adjustable speed and sensitivity, enhances the video shooting experience, delivering professional-looking footage with ease. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the fact that this is a renewed product. Amazon Renewed assures us that it's been professionally inspected and tested to work and look like new. Purchasing Renewed products not only saves you money but also contributes to sustainability by giving tech a second life. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a high-performance DSLR that won't break the bank, the Canon EOS 7D Mark II Renewed kit is worth serious consideration. It's a reliable companion for both photography and videography, backed by Amazon's guarantee for your peace of mind. Unleash your creativity and capture the world with this renewed powerhouse. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.